Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to find wallet address in Smart Wallet app. To find a wallet address in the Smart Wallet app, first of all open the Smart Wallet app and then make sure that you're inside the home page, log in into your wallet. After you are in the home section, go ahead and tap on one of the assets from the assets list that you want to find the wallet address for. For example, if you want to find the wallet address for USDT, simply tap on it, and on the next page, tap on the receive button. You will then be able to see your wallet address with a long string alphanumeric characters or a QR code. You can share this wallet address by tapping on the little share icon right next to it and selecting one of the contacts from the contact list or via your messaging app. Share it with any one of your friends whom you want to receive funds from. You can also let anyone scan this QR code displayed on the screen so that they can instantly deposit funds onto your account. So that is how you easily find your wallet address for a specific asset or cryptocurrency on the Smart Wallet app. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.